What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tyler. The truck is a Sandworm. It is a new year, new truck mods coming, new adventures. Super stoked. After this video is uploaded sometime, I'm going to Arizona and hopefully meeting up with Downtime Lost. I'll link his channel below. He's got a Z71 Colorado all built up, far more built than my truck is. But he does a lot of trail stuff, so hopefully meet up with him in Arizona and he can show me the ropes on the trails. But today's video is actually sponsored by Melipron, and I'm gonna link all this stuff below. But first off, I'm not this tall. You know what I'm standing on? Their cargo case that they sent me for the roof rack that I installed in a previous video. Super good quality. Obviously super stable, but before I show you all this, I want to show you the quick release mount that they set up, just because that way I can pull the truck around and I can, light up the bed and actually show off this case a little better, because right now I'm limited on space in the garage because I can only pull the truck in a certain way due to the height of the roof rack. This is the only way it fits to put the cargo case on in the garage. But I'm gonna show you that first, and super excited about this, and then I'll show you everything they sent me. They did send me the quick release mounts with this, so these are sold separate. Quick release mounts come separate, but I'm gonna hop up there, we'll throw this up there and show you guys how that works. Also, these things aren't light. You're about to see that. They're pretty stout boxes. And I'm assuming the Rome adventure cases are the same way. So when I do use this, I will make sure to put this in here before I store anything in it, because I'm not going to fill this box up. And then try to throw this up here because, that'll be too much. Just to show you guys real quick, this is why I would load this up here, is because it's got the gas struts. So, load stuff in here, access it from the bed. Okay, so we are climbing up onto the roof rack. So the quick release mounts for this case, and I'm gonna show this case off, but I'm showing this stuff first. You have these, I'm just gonna call them hooks, that you can slip down in here, and you can see the end piece right here. So you can lock these, so these are locked in and everything. You push these up, they go over the hooks like so. You close that, pop it, the case isn't going anywhere, and you can also lock that. The case is held in with these feet. You got 4 on each mount, so you got 2 in the front, 1 on each side, and then the same as the rear. The rear hooks up the same way, and like I said, you can lock it. You can adjust this to fit, whatever. That's the quick release mount. So let's throw this in the bed of the truck, and I'll show you the case itself. I do want to add real quick that the way these are adjusted to my Melipron cargo box, these actually fit perfectly in these little slots, so I can lock them down and they won't rattle or move around. I'm not sure how these would do with a different type of box. If it was taller or whatever, it might overextend, but these work for me, so. Okay guys, so first off, I'm gonna start off by showing how durable this thing is. There is no permanent deformation on this. Honestly, it appears the only thing that's really bending is the molly panel on top, which molly panel is, just some thin, I believe it's just aluminum. but the box is super durable. So super stoked about that, especially depending on what I keep in there. But if we go ahead and we move up to the box. So like I showed earlier, the box has these lockable latches, gas struts. You got handles on both sides of the box to grab onto. And you also have built-in handles in the side if you don't want those rope handles. Melipron also sent me this outside molly panel that I attached to it. And you still have other spots where you can attach things. If you have any other accessories, you can just use these. I think they're like M6, M4 bolts. I think M6. But you can attach stuff to that. I have my traction boards mounted to the roof rack, but if I didn't have any space, they could mount on here. I thought about I could like strap my tent onto here because obviously I don't have a roof rack tent, just to save some bed space. And I'll go on to bed space after I show you this. But if I open it up, like I said, it's got the, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure they're the gas struts. But not only did Melipron send me the outside molly panel, behind this is another molly panel, but because I had the inside molly panel, they also sent this bag attachment where I can store stuff in here as well. And this one, this front one right here, you can unbuckle this and it comes out to be a backpack if you need to take a hike real quick. Maybe your truck's stuck and you need to grab some gear and go find the nearest person to recover you. You can throw some stuff in here, unbuckle this, take it to go, and yeah, pretty neat. You can just unclip it, take it to go. And then they also sent me some pretty heavy duty wheels with these. So these would attach to the side, but I tried to attach them and I figured out these are not compatible with the quick release roof mount. So if you don't plan to use the roof mount like me and you just plan to have this like in the bed of your truck or something, the wheels would be a good option because like I said, I mean, you saw me struggle. This is pretty sturdy and heavy. But these are not going to be unused. I'm thinking about finding some old tennis shoes and making me some off-road all-terrain Heelys out of them. So we'll see how that goes. But with that being said, these are not the only accessories that come with this box. You can also get a molly panel that folds up as a two-seater. So the molly panel would fold up and you could set this on the ground, in the bed of the truck, whatever, and have a backrest and pretty much use it as a seat, which I think is cool. Pricing, I don't know all the prices off the top of my head. I know the box, I looked at it earlier and it was $299, $100 off. That was today. But I will list all the pricing below along with the links of everything I have here. The only thing I did not see on their website were the quick release mounts. So I don't know if they're out of those or what, but I'll check again and see if I can link those. But super happy with this. I've looked at Rome Adventures and Pelican and things like that, and Pelican is really expensive. I mean, I'm not going to say that $300 isn't expensive for a box, but this is heavy duty, waterproof, dustproof, everything. And a lot of people think that the prices of these boxes are ridiculous because I watched other videos before making this one on just other cargo boxes. And, people are like, why would I pay that much money for that? I will say, after you ruin some of your camping gear, camera gear, leave your clothes in it and it gets all wet and stuff and you don't have any dry clothes for camping, you will wish you had an expensive case for some of that stuff. So I'm happy with this, especially with it being on the roof rack. And with it being on the roof rack, that leads me to the next topic of saving bed space, because people will be like, I know I've seen other comments on other videos, well, what about using your bed, your truck bed, this and that, yada yada. This past year, I've done 2 longer road trip camping trips. One was 4 hours away. One was in Colorado, which was 10 hours away. And so when you're going that far, you pack a lot of gear, a lot of just in case gear, emergency stuff, you know, a backup tent in case you open your tent, it gets ripped, whatever, things like that. Before I had the roof rack, my bed was filled to the top, could barely close the tonneau cover. And the reason the tonneau cover is good is because it's waterproof, it keeps all that stuff dry. But just hard to dig in and out of your bed when it's full to the top from the back to the front. So all my camping gear that I don't normally keep in the truck, like I have some boxes back here and some tools that stay in the truck all the time. All my camping gear that is like temporary just for a trip or so, I can throw it in here, keep it in here, and then when I'm ready to roll, toss it up on the roof rack. Got those quick release mounts, tie it down, lock it up, and it's good to go. It's locked. The box can lock, the quick release mount can lock. So saving space back here just for, you know, extra capacity, especially because I have dogs. So when we went camping, I could not fit the dog beds in the truck because we had all 3 dogs in the back seat. This was full, like I said, so we could fit like a blanket, but not their dog bed. So they had to sleep on the ground. I mean, wasn't that big of a deal. It wasn't like cold or anything. But what I'm saying is I can take other things that I left behind on previous camping trips because I take a lot of crap, and especially somebody that does not have a rooftop tent to, you know, because I know a lot of those rooftop tents, you can keep your sleeping bag in them, this and that, yada yada. Because I don't have that, I have to store, I always take 2 tents with me, one as a backup. So I have 2 tents back here. I have my sleeping bags, pillows, extra blankets, heaters, things like that. So not having that extra space in a rooftop tent, just having cargo boxes mounted on the roof just gives me a ton more space. And even with this and the traction boards mounted, there's still space in between the two to add another slim box or some roto packs later on. Hint, hint. Super excited about this. You guys check them out. Good quality stuff. And I appreciate them for sponsoring the truck, sponsoring the channel. Super excited. I'm curious what all I can mount to this molly panel. I think, like I said, with this molly panel, I can strap my tents down on top. And other things, I can strap a cooler down, whatever. Lawn chairs, I got a lawn chair back here. I could strap that down up here. Pretty much, if I need extra space, cargo box, molly panel, space saved. So check them out. I'm super excited, super durable. And make sure you guys like and subscribe. Go check out their stuff. I'll put the links down below. Before you guys say $300 is expensive for a case, just look at some of the other brands and you'll see that $300 is a pretty good deal, especially when you look at some of their accessories with everything you can get. Not a bad deal. But super excited that they sent this out, and look forward to actually using it. I'm going to be using it on my trip to Arizona. Not 100% sure what I'll keep in here yet. For the most part, unless it's a long road trip, this will probably be in the bed of the truck or in the house, just stayed stocked up with camping gear. But for long road trips, this will be tossed up on the roof rack. And I say this won't stay on the roof rack 24/7 because I like to park my truck in the garage, and right now it fits without it, even with the traction boards up there. So that's why it won't stay up there. Just because I like my truck in the garage for safety and, you know, peace of mind. But make sure you guys give me a like and subscribe. Check out their stuff. I will drop all these links below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I will compare boxes in the future and make a video on that. But till then, I'll see you guys in the next one.